guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, aka Mag on Moto, and today I'm very excited, also very late. We are going, and by we I mean me, we're going moto camping. We're going away down to Murdunna for 2 nights, which is really exciting. But first we need to duck into the city to head to Anaconda. Because I've got a little, one of those Gerber collapsible saw things. Oh. I need to move my quad lock. It's not in the best position, not gonna lie. I can't really see what gear I'm in. But oh well. Anyway, going to go to Anaconda quickly to pick up my little collapsible saw, because I'm going for 2 nights in a lovely completely private forestry, which is going to be really lovely. And yeah, there's going to be I think some firewood there, but if not, there's plenty of like fallen branches and things that I can chop up. So yeah, headed to Anaconda first. It's looking a lovely overcast day. But no, it should be good. It is currently just after 11 o'clock. I had every intention of getting to Anaconda at 9 o'clock when it opens. But bit of a go slow this morning. And yeah, just a go slow. And then I had the unfortunate situation of when I was installing my quad lock here, which, by the way, I got a quad lock mount. Very exciting. Oh, here's the rain. Woo! Typical. Anytime I plan on going away anywhere, doing any amount of riding, it rains. Oh my god. But anyway, got the quad lock mount here, and as I was installing it, I may have dropped an Allen key somewhere down the front of my bike there. But after having a chat to my Moto crew, so yeah, it should be fine. It'll probably just fall out on its own, so it's all good. Hopefully my bike won't get destroyed, and hopefully it won't ruin my weekend. Oh my gosh, guys, it's late. I've just finished up at Anaconda, but I'm thinking I'm just going straight down the highway, so I'm not going to bother filming that. I'll film once I'm closer to like off the main highway and going somewhere a little bit more exciting. So yeah, I think I shall see you guys in a little bit. Bye.
12 seconds later.
So anyway, obviously, finally off the main highway. Now I'm heading towards Richmond Way to get to Murdunna. And I just filled up with petrol just a bit earlier there. And now I've got just under or right on an hour to go until I get to camp. So that'll put me thereabouts just after 3 o'clock. So, I mean, I'm cutting it close for time, but that'll put me just before dark anyway, so I should have enough time to set up camp, do some filming and all of that jazz before it gets too dark. And hopefully, fingers crossed, even though it's been raining and I didn't bring any firelighters, but I'm hoping now that I'm a professional at starting fires, because you know that one time I managed to start it from scratch with Terry, so obviously I'm a professional now, but hopefully there'll be enough dry wood around somewhere that I can start a fire, because that'd just be ideal. Holy fuck! Shit! Oh my god! I'm so sorry! for your eardrums. Oh my god, I thought that was actually gonna hit me. Oh, man. Whoa, my heart. Oh my god. I think screaming was probably an overreaction. Oh, just a bit. I probably could have, I don't know, I don't really want to brake too hard in the wet, but man. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Just wow, that's amazing. Ooh, pay attention. Oh my gosh. That view! Ah, it's so pretty. Oh my god. What are my off-roading skills, man? Oh fuck it. This is it. We're here. I made it. Hey guys, so I've made it to my campsite, finally. It's getting in the evening light now. It's just after 3 o'clock. So I've only got, hello, gets dark pretty much on 5 o'clock now, so. But anyway, we're here, we made it. Check it out. I've got a little picnic table and a fireplace. And there's even like a really nice pathway. Like fully lined pathway to the toilet. Benefits of this place, it has a toilet. Yes. Oh wow. I finally made it. And I'm so glad I came. Because I really need this. I just desperately needed to get away camping for some relaxation time. And yeah, and I've got all of this to myself. It's a bit loud because it's right next to the highway, but then right across the highway is the ocean, so that's really exciting. So I'm at Murdunna, and the plan is firstly set up camp and then relax into the evening, and tomorrow we're going to go exploring pretty much some of the areas that, or the same places that when the Aussie Moto crew came, and unfortunately I didn't get to go with them, so I'm almost recreating their steps. I'm not going to Port Arthur. I've done that like twice now, maybe 3 times, so I'm going to check out the tessellated pavements, all that, go to Do Town, all of that side, and then I'm going to head around all the way around the other, back around the other side to, there's like a, I think a coal mine or something, like an old historical mine shaft thingy, so I thought I'd go check that out, and of course stop by the lavender farm and have some lunch there, I think, and spend too much money in their shop, of course, and yeah, and just really have fun. And I'm thinking on Sunday when I head back home, I might go up there East Coast ways and then go back home via like Lake Leak Road and Cressy and stuff, since didn't get to do much of a fun ride today. Only the end hour-ish, hour and a half was the fun part. First part was all just straight down the highway, which wasn't very exciting, but that's what you get when you sleep in and run around like a headless chook trying to pack everything and lose your Allen keys in your bike. But anyway, before it gets dark, let's set up tent. Here we are, the Lone Rider tent. Holy crap, it's flipping huge. Holy shit. Not too bad for my first go. Oh. But just in time, because I think it's going to rain. Wow, standing in the tent. Hey guys, so I finally set up the tent. That took absolutely forever to do, but everything's set up. I haven't done my sleeping gear or anything yet because it's getting a bit late, and I think the first thing to do is find some firewood and get the fire cracking. But anyway, here's a tent, and check it out. Absolute mess, of course, already, but oh well. I brought these, aren't they cool? I finally have lights that actually provide glow. But yeah, I love this. It's got pockets and everything in the door, and you can open this separately so you can still see out, which is really, really cool. And I've got that side actually open, but you can't really see. But anyway, this is a sleeping area, nothing exciting. But like I said, time to go find some firewood. And I have my trusty new rubbish there. This is a saw. It's a collapsible saw I literally just picked up today from Murdunna. But yeah, let's go forage. Hey guys, unfortunately no fire tonight. Everything is far too wet, and I just couldn't find enough firewood in the dark here. But can we appreciate my genius right now? Check it out. Ready? Ta-da! And then a little itty bitty baby one over there. Can't really see too much of me or what I'm doing, so I'm probably just gonna cook myself some food. Like I said, just gonna have some spag bowl, make myself a cuppa, and I might go chill inside my tent and read a book and just relax and chill out. So I will see you guys in a little bit. I still do have to set up my sleeping gear as well, so yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.